What's up everyone, Willie Apple here, and today Apple has released macOS Ventura Public Beta to everyone. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to install it on your device. What you want to do is open up Safari and go to the website beta.apple.com. A link will also be in the description down below. You just want to press sign in or sign up depending if you have used the public beta before. And a prompt like this will show up. You just want to use Touch ID to sign in or type in your password if you don't have Touch ID. Scroll down and click Enroll Your Mac. After that, make sure you have a backup just in case you want to go back to macOS Monterey, and scroll down and click on this download button. Go to the Downloads folder on your Mac and then double click on this. When this thing pops up, double click on this and follow the on-screen instructions. Open up System Preferences and then click Software Update. Let it check for update, and then you're going to see this Upgrade Now button. Click on that Upgrade Now button. It will take a while for it to download, and then you're going to see a pop-up that looks something like this. Follow the on-screen instructions when you see this. Once your Mac restarts, you will notice a different wallpaper. That means it has successfully upgraded to macOS Ventura Beta. I'm going to show you some of the new features in macOS Ventura. The first thing is that we have two new apps, Weather and Clock. In Messages, we also have the ability to unsend and edit messages, just like we do in iOS. System Preferences gets redesigned and rebranded to System Settings. It looks a lot like on iPadOS, and it's a lot easier to navigate in my opinion. We have a new feature called Continuity Camera, and it allows you to use your iPhone as your MacBook's webcam. We have a new feature called Stage Manager, which is a really nice window management tool. Now what should you do if you find a bug in macOS Ventura? Use this app that comes pre-installed with macOS Ventura Beta called Feedback Assistant. If you also want something changed about macOS Ventura, you can also suggest something in here as well. I will also be showing you how to downgrade back to macOS Monterey or macOS Big Sur in a future video as well. Thanks for watching, comment, like, and subscribe, share this with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!